This is a Chucky Beat production.
Hello guys, welcome to my motoring. My name is Nez. Now you join me in the brand new Lexus LC500. I think during this drive I'm just gonna be smiling because this car comes with a fantastic 5-litre V8 naturally aspirated engine. This is the first Lexus production car with this front engine rear drive layout aimed for the luxury segment. So straight away we're not going to mess about. I've put it into Sport Plus. As you can tell, the dials have come up like the Lexus LFA, so you've got the red and then the white to tell you when to shift up. But this car is all about the engine, which, sorry, you've got a white van in front of us. Once we get to the Alpine section and hopefully we go in the high-speed bowl after, we can really see what this car's engine's all about. So this car comes with 471 horsepower. 471 horsepower. So let's see what that feels like. Here we go. Amazing. This is why I love cars. That noise. Let's just take a moment to enjoy that V8 symphony. Woo! And there's an AMG GTR wailing past me. Fantastic. Life. What is life? Let's slow right down and take that in, guys. That is absolutely astonishing. Into third, here we go. Fantastic. Let's turn off. Amazing. Guys, how exciting is this car? How exciting is that engine? Fantastic. Wow. We should celebrate the fact that manufacturers still make naturally aspirated V8 engines in 2018. This car sounds absolutely phenomenal and looks brilliant in this yellow metallic color. So immediately notice if you're too high up in the rev band, it won't let you shift down, which is understandable to try and save the engine and not damage the engine or transmission. Now we'll let you shift down. This feels amazing so far. So what else can I tell you about this car? Well, this is Lexus's, luxury, super luxury GT car. This is the cruiser in the range where you can cruise to the south of France in pure comfort. And I can tell these seats are brilliant. They're quite different from the GSF I just drove earlier, but really and truly, check out the new Rolls-Royce Cullinan. That is the new four-wheel drive off-road Rolls-Royce. Looks amazing, but back to this Lexus. But it's all about that noise. Oh, it reminds me of an Aston Martin. It's got that brutality to it. So that is the Lexus LC500 for you guys. Naturally aspirated goodness. So guys, hope you enjoyed that video. I tried a different angle to my usual ones. Hope you enjoyed that point of view. Thanks for watching. Give this video a massive thumbs up. That sound is incredible. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys soon.
This is a Chucky Beat production.